The main reason you want to buy third-party generic or aftermarket items is because you want to save some money. But there's always that fear in the back of your head. What if you buy something that does not work or will break very easily? I'm Andres Perez, a videographer from San Antonio, and I'm no exception to this. I definitely do not want to be paying 2, 3, 10 times more just because of a brand name. So I'm always looking to get the most bang out of my buck. Now this battery grip can be used for both the Canon 70D and the 80D. Okay, so let's start by showing you what comes in the box. So of course, you get your battery grip, you get 2 batteries, and you get a second battery tray. So why is there 2 battery trays? So this one is what you're going to be using for these batteries right here. But when you first get this, it's going to come with another tray already inside. So what this tray does, it uses AA batteries. It uses 6 of them, 4 up top and then 2 here on the sides. Really, I'm not really interested in using this one. First thing I will let you know, as far as quality, it does have a plastic, well, it is plastic rather. It doesn't just have a plastic feel because it is plastic. Now, the batteries come with battery covers. So the cool thing about this is it has a little battery symbol in there. Depending how you put it on, it's gonna show either black or with a little label behind. So you can use this as a trick to let you know whether or not your battery still has power. So if you have a dead one, you know, put it on the black or vice versa. Now let's load up our tray. So all you gotta do is just pop these off, put the battery in. And to put it in, it's very simple. You're gonna want the arrows to point towards the center. So what I do is, we want it to connect, right, to the connection. So I start in the middle, make sure that's connected, then I just push down, and there you go. Now, when you're putting it into the battery grip, one thing, if you're struggling with putting it in, it's because it's still locked. What you need to do is you gotta open it all the way before it lets you push it in. Then you can close and lock it. Okay, so now we want to actually use it with our camera. First thing you need to do is, if you have another battery in there, go ahead and take it out. And next thing you gotta do is take off this little door right here. The easiest way to show you how to take it off is actually by showing you how to put it on. So you're gonna notice that the little door has these little 2 rods here, right? And they connect right there. So you're gonna see a little area where you can grab onto. All you gotta do is put it in there and push. Then that way it's connected again. So same thing to take it out. You're just gonna grab the little door and pull it out like this. That's all it is. Now this is something that's easy to lose. So luckily they thought about that, and you can keep it with your battery grip. There you go. To install the battery grip, all you have to do is push it in to where the battery would normally go. Then with this turn dial, just turn it towards the right and it'll screw it into place. So this does add some weight to it for sure. I would say anywhere between 30 to 50% more weight. On its own, it's not a lot, but together you're gonna definitely feel a difference. The next thing you're gonna notice is there's an on and off switch. When you turn it on, there's no click. Just want to let you know. When you turn off, there actually is a click. But one thing I discovered is you do not have to turn this on so that your camera can use the battery. What this does, it allows you to use the buttons. Which, by the way, the buttons are exactly the same as on the original grip. So there is no learning curve. So if you're using the battery grip just for extra battery life, then you can just turn that off and you're good. But if you're actually going to be using it vertically and using the buttons, you're going to want to turn it on first. So this is one reason why I chose this one in particular, because I don't have to put any extra connections to the side of the camera. All you have to do is turn a little switch and you can use it. I'm very happy. Everything works the way it's supposed to. In the comments below, let me know which battery grip you use. And if you want to save some money, click right here.